Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the USB-C port on the Huawei Mate 10. And I bought this USB-C port from this Shopee app in Malaysia. So this is the original Huawei Mate 10 USB port from this guy called Wing Hong 047. If you guys are looking for a good circuit board for the USB-C port, okay, I'm not getting paid for this, so I'm just telling you guys. I'm not sure if it works, but he says it's original, so we'll find out soon enough. And what you want to do now is to remove the back cover of the Huawei Mate 10. I've already created a separate video for that, so if you want, you guys, I will put the link below and you guys can check it out. But what you want to do very quickly here is you want to heat the sides of the Huawei Mate 10 back cover. You can do this with any phone actually, with a glass back. You can heat up the sides, okay, only the sides at the bottom part, right? I'm showing you with my index finger here. So you heat up these sides, right? Not all the way to the top, because you don't want to hit the parts with the wires. You can see where the buttons are, so you don't want to heat that up and destroy something. So you just heat up the sides here, and then you use a suction cup and stick it and you pull it. It will take some time and some patience, but eventually you will get the back cover to come out a bit with a little slight hole here, right? And then what you want to do is you'll get a guitar pick or a pick tool like this. It comes with the set I bought. So what you do is with one hand you hold it, and with the other hand you slide the picking tool in, and then you slide it like across the bottom part to cut the double-sided tape and towards the sides. So you just have to slide it really nicely to cut off the double-sided tape, and then you sort of leverage your way and you will be able to open the back cover, right? So here it's already open, so it's really easy for me. So I'll show you guys, right? It's still a bit stuck because the double-sided tape is always still there. So what I do is I will pry it open here, and you can see that the tape is actually stuck to a little wire. That wire is probably the sound wire, so you have to be really careful. Look at that, right? You see this wire here, right? Just make sure that it doesn't come out. Push it back in. So this wire is actually connected to the USB port, right? See the wire? It goes all the way to the USB port. So you want to take that out before you start doing it. So you need a flathead screwdriver. So the best thing about the set that I bought from the guy on Shopee is that he sent me like a free set, so I can actually take this stuff out very easily. So you need a flathead screwdriver. So what you want to do is you're gonna take out the that sound wire. I think it's a sound wire because it connects to this part, which is on top of the USB port, which is actually the it contains the speaker, right? If you don't fix it in properly, it's not going to play the sound, because I tried that before and there was no sound on my phone. I was wondering why. Oh, actually there's a sound on top because it's a stereo speaker, so it's a very soft sound, but the bottom speaker is the one that plays when you start the phone, so you immediately know when there's no sound. So there are 6 screws here, 6 screws, right? They are Phillips head screws, but they're really tiny. So what you want to do is you can use one of the screwdrivers that came with the set, but I got my own because this one I got it from like Daiso. You can get it from the glass section, because they use this to unscrew your glasses or to fix your glasses, to adjust them. So now you're gonna get like this 6 screws. You can count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think there's 6 here, right? Yeah, count that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the 6th one? The 6 is here actually. Sorry, so the 6th one actually dropped out, I think. So yeah, I don't see the screw here, so it must have dropped out somewhere. So yeah, you don't have to worry too much about that. It functions perfectly well even without the screw, right? So now we're going to remove the 5 screws, although they're supposed to be 6, so one of them has gone missing. No idea where it went. Usually it will get stuck to like the back casing because of the glue there, but I don't see it anymore. So it might have just dropped somewhere. It should be here, but did I drop it? Anyway, it should be fine even with 5 screws, so I don't have to worry about that. Take out the 5 screws, right? I don't know why one of them is always so loose that it drops out. So yep, so this would take you just not too long, right? Just take out the screws. So you want to be careful a bit. You don't want to destroy anything. You can ground yourself by touching a metal plate somewhere that's grounded. So once you have taken them out, yeah, let's do one more, right? Have a look. So once they are loose, you can actually use your flathead screwdriver now to pry in this part. You see this one? There's a screw here, alright? There's a screw here. To show you guys. You pry the top part here, it will snap out. So basically the top is the, you see that? So this part snaps out. So this part, like I was telling you guys before, has the speaker, right? So this is the speaker and this is the entire speaker set. So it comes right off and it has the screws here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somehow the 6th screw has gone missing. It's okay. Now you will see the USB port, right? Okay, so the USB port is connected to that wire that I was telling you about earlier that runs to the side. So I've already put that out. So now it has this wire here, which I assume is connected to the battery because it has this layer here. So what you want to do is you're gonna pull that out as well. You can use the flathead screwdriver to help you, or I think it's loose enough to actually just pull it out of the socket. There we go. It's already taken out. So what was damaged in this old phone, I mean my phone, is that there's this USB port. It has come out and separated itself from the circuit board, right? So when you press it, I guess, you know, when it charges too much, this happens. So you just have to be careful. So you want to snap that out. Unfortunately, it's really stuck here as well. So what I'll do is I'll show you guys, like I'll plug this in, right? And usually when you keep plugging things in and out, it will somehow just dislodge itself from the circuit board. So that is a huge problem. There we go, it's coming out. You can see the port itself. So the port itself is supposed to be on this circuit board, right? On this little circuit board. You guys can see this. It's supposed to be on this side. You can see like 4 little metal plates there, and there we go. It's supposed to be here. So I did something stupid earlier. I super glued it there. It doesn't work. What I do is, if the super glue comes out too much, it will coat the entire circuit board and destroy it. So yeah, don't do that. Learn my lesson. Now I bought this new circuit board, right? We're gonna try it. We're gonna put that in. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys so you guys can see this. See that? The circuit board is here, right? So we're gonna put that circuit board in. Okay, easiest one is we're gonna put it into this little thing fin here, that cable, sorry, the cable. So the first cable, you can see that is the cable that's the long one behind, which connects to the battery. It's gonna go right in there, right? Okay, this shouldn't be too difficult. Oops. Okay, it requires some precision. So just align the top parts to the bottom part. It's like a chip. Then let's go in. Come on, go in. Okay, make sure that it goes in. Make sure you ground yourself before doing this, because you don't want to short circuit the circuit board, right? So this is gonna take some time. I don't know why it's so hard to go in. align that. Come on, go in. It's gonna go in. It doesn't want to go in. So just here. Okay, what you want to do is you keep holding the sides of it so that it doesn't, you don't short circuit anything. So you try to hold that as much as possible. Press it until it aligns, and there we go. It's in now, right? Just make sure that it's tight, because I noticed that part of it doesn't go in. I hope this is an original board, because I don't know why it shouldn't be this difficult. See, it keeps coming out every time I press it, so it's very annoying. Still not going in properly. Okay, so when you do stuff like this, you always need to be really patient. Now imagine other people have like they have like their hobbies building Gundams. I guess I have the hobby build fixing stuff. Okay, so just take some patience. Don't worry too much. Look at that. Okay, sometimes it doesn't fit properly. You just have to give it a more closer look. You see it's like a socket there, and then there is the pins coming down from that plug, from the cable there. So we're just gonna push it in. Come on, man, go in. Okay, I think this is good enough. So I'm going to show you guys. See, it doesn't fit as tightly as the previous one, so I really hope it works. Anyway, let's try it. Make sure you get the other cable. Okay, show you guys again. Right, close up. You don't have to worry too much, because you don't get alignment too right. So all you have to do is just move this in. Make sure the USB port goes out the little hole below. See? So there we go. USB port goes out. I'm going to link you guys to a clearer video of how to take it out. So the reason why I'm doing this video is so that you guys can actually see the process of doing it and how much patience it takes to actually do it, right? It's not the exact precision. So next, once you have that circuit board down already, you're gonna put this other board, which is the one that contains the speaker piece on top of it, right? So you have to align it properly so that it holds it holds itself down, and it also holds the circuit board down. So what you want to do is you want the little edges here to go in first, because the one next to the speaker to go in first, so that it holds it in place, right? It takes a bit of patience, and it's going to be really difficult. Like, I mean, it will be easier for you, but it's going to be difficult for me, because I'm facing you guys, right? I'm making this video at the same time, so it takes patience. So it actually snaps in. See, it snaps in quite well. So I'll give Huawei some good credit for that, because it takes some engineering design to get it right, and you actually push the wire, the side wire in, it fits perfectly, right? So there we go. We're going to snap that in. So that wire is presumably the sound, so you just have to snap that back in. Okay, there we go. It's perfect, right? Perfectly done, and I hope you guys can see it. So you know what, I'm just going to screw a few of the screws in so that it doesn't pop up when I try to charge it, but I'm going to test it right after I put the maybe 2 screws in. I don't want you guys to wait too long to see me charge it and see if it works. Right, so what I'll do is I'll screw the screws that are closest to the charging port. You can see here, so they're basically the middle screws. I'm just going to screw that down. You don't have to screw everyone down, I guess. So just screw those down. One closest to the charging port to hold the charging port in place. When you plug in the USB-C cable, right? So I have 3 here. I have 3. Okay, let's make it 4. You will just leave out the sides because I'm pretty sure you don't need the sides, right? So I want to put one screw that's close to that little wire with its down, so that wire doesn't come out that easily, or that part of it doesn't come out so easily. So you can see I have completely screwed them in, and I can actually check whether it charges now, right? I don't want to touch anything, I don't want to blow myself up, right? So I'm going to plug this in. Okay, if it blows up, you know what happened to me, right? Okay, it's quite tight. It's quite tight. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, I don't want to push too hard because that's how the last one broke. So we're gonna try to make it easy, right? Okay, I put it in. So the good thing is that the thing seems to be charging. I felt a little buzz vibration, so something is working. Yep, the battery pack, you can see, has the light on, so it is somehow charging, but there's no light on this. Is it working? Okay, I'm not sure if it's working, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the power button. Okay, it's not working, but I heard the buzz just now, so something should have been working. So let me try again. Okay, I'll try. You guys can see it because now it's upside down. It's not working. That's weird. It was buzzing just now, but it stopped buzzing now, so I'm going to put it upside down. Nope. Okay, something is not right now because previously it was working. So what is not right? There we go. It's charging. There we go. It works. So guys, I will link you guys to the Shopee website. See, it's the yellow light, so it's working. Basically, you can cover it back up. That's really easy. It's just glue. So I don't need to tell you guys how to do that. But there you go. You guys have seen it live. If you haven't practiced these, I just got it today. By the way, I just ordered it yesterday morning and it arrived this morning. So it was really fast. I ordered it on a Saturday morning. It came on a Sunday morning. So you guys, if you want to repair your phone for, that was about 28 ringgit, which is about less than 10 US dollars. So it's really cheap. If you want to repair your Huawei Mate 10, that's how you do it. So guys, I will see you in the next video. If you like the way I fix my phone and you want to see more of that, please comment below and tell me. You can subscribe to my channel as well. I will see you guys in the next tech video. Bye guys.